Hey there, are you ready to become fluent in English? Follow these simple steps for the next 21 days, and you'll notice a significant improvement in your language skills. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start by reading aloud 1 to 2 pages from any English book every day. This helps you practice pronunciation and fluency. Step 2. Challenge yourself to go out alone and observe what people are doing. Then, try to frame your observations in English. It enhances your ability to think and communicate in English. Step 3. Record a video every day, sharing your daily experiences or any other content. Start by speaking in your native language or any other language you're comfortable with. Gradually, shift to speaking in English as you gain more confidence. Step 4. Maintain a daily diary where you write freely in English, about anything you like. This helps improve your writing skills and vocabulary. Step 5. Read more books in English. It exposes you to different writing styles, expands your vocabulary, and improves your overall language proficiency. Step 6. Watch movies or web series in English. It helps you understand different accents and improves your listening skills. Step 7. Create an English-centered environment in your daily life. Surround yourself with English materials from the moment you wake up until you sleep. Label objects, set your phone language to English, and immerse yourself in the language. Remember, these habits will not only help you become fluent in English but also make you a successful and confident person in life. If you've learned something new, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.